If I could give one piece of advice to managers, plant teams, I would say invest the time to learn how baghouses work, not only for yourself, but also for your team. So many problems come because there's a lack of knowledge. And it's understandable. If you're running a plant, you might have dozens of different technologies running in there, things that actually make stuff for you. And when that happens, the baghouse is often viewed as a nuisance, as a last thing, right? But so many times, plants are held back in both their production amounts, their quality control, and pollution control, safety, so many things because of their dust collector. So when it goes down or has a problem, everything comes grinding to a halt, and nobody knows how to handle it. A lot of plants also make the mistake of just relying on so-called institutional knowledge, or what we call here old man Bill knowledge, where they just kind of keep repeating the same things that old-timers have told them over the years and take it as gospel. Now, there's nothing wrong with institutional knowledge. In fact, it's very valuable. However, there's a couple of things we find with that is that often the person who had the institutional knowledge, you don't exactly remember very clearly what he told you, so you actually have changed what he told you all those years ago. Sometimes they have information, habits, tactics, whatever, that are not ideal, and they pass those on. Or it could be that the advice that they gave was correct at the time, but in recent years, the technology has changed, new technology has been developed, and that old institutional knowledge that they were passing on no longer applies or is not the best way to handle something nowadays. So for all those reasons, you get stuck in these situations where because somebody says, oh, that's how we've always done it, or, well, we understand it this way, and you get stuck in these old, inefficient ways of doing things that really hold you back. So having accurate knowledge from a dust collector expert, a system OEM like ourselves, where we design, build, and install systems, as well as troubleshooting, repairing systems, having knowledge from someone like us, where it's accurate, correct, that's going to be super valuable. And that will help you have the tools to resolve a lot of the problems before you even talk to us.